Let me ask you this. How many hours do you find yourself staring at a chart? When I first started trading, I was glued to the charts. I was trading the 5-minute time frame. Sometimes I'd even go to the 2-minute time frame. I found myself sleeping with my phone in hand, staring at charts, trying to wake up, falling asleep. I mean, I spent stupid amounts of hours staring at the charts. And then I discovered swing trading. This was something that I decided to experiment even though my mentor did not swing trade. Even though I was not taught how to trade the higher time frames, I found out that it was a complete game changer for me. So swing trading really allowed me to take a step back, get a broader overview of the price movement, not chase every single trade, and I've made more than I've ever made in trading while swing trading. So in this video, I'm going to break down why swing trading is better than day trading, and how you can transition from day trading to a more sustainable and profitable swing trading strategy. Reason number 1, why swing trading is better than day trading. Swing trading requires much less screen time. You're holding for days, if not weeks on end. Day trading forces you to watch every single tick, every single movement, every single candle. You've got to be glued to the charts. The benefits that I experienced moving from day trading to swing trading was most significantly the time freedom. I wasn't glued to the charts for hours on end. I wasn't falling asleep with my phone in my hand. I didn't have to watch the chart every single candle for hours and hours on end each day. I was able to place my trade and close the computer screen. That was it. I was done. I didn't have to look at the chart for another hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. And as you kind of develop more confidence in the higher time frames, when you move to that swing trader mindset, you're able to get more comfortable not looking at the charts. You're able to allow the trade to play out, kind of set it and forget it. You can place that trade, make sure you've got your stop loss, your take profit, or whatever strategy you use. Maybe you don't have a take profit, like me, and you've got your stop loss set in place. You can let the trade play out. You could be in that trade for days and weeks and only look at your trade a few times out of the day, or even a few times out of the week. Swing traders can capitalize on the overall trend or a much broader trend, whereas the day trader is trying to capitalize on these little movements in between. So as a swing trader, I'm able to hold my trades for a lot longer. I'm able to hold my profits for longer. I'm also able to capitalize on more profit while taking less trades. So this is what the transition looked like. We started in the 5-minute time frame. I was happy with a few $100 in a few minutes, maybe an hour or two. Then I moved to the 1-hour time frame. I was able to hold for 4-6 hours, and I was happy with $1,000 to $2,000. But it is when I made the transition to the 4-hour time frame, I was able to have my first $10,000 trade. That was so exciting. I was able to hold that thing for 1 to 2 weeks and capitalize on the most that I've ever made in a singular trade. So this is kind of the difference, the mindset that you're in when you're trading that 5-minute time frame, that 1-hour time frame, being that day trader versus moving to the swing trader mindset. You're able to hold those profits for so much longer, and those profits are bigger. I could not believe the true power of letting my profitable trades run. So the third reason is less anxiety and less adrenaline. So when you're in that day trading mindset, a lot of people take on this gambler mentality and they're risking it all. They're up, they're down, they're up, they're down. They're chasing trades, chasing price. Whereas when you move to the swing trading mindset, you've made one singular decision. Now, yes, it's still stressful seeing that ebb and flow of price fluctuate, but you've made one singular decision. You don't have to make multiple decisions. There's not a crazy amount of anxiety or adrenaline within that trade that you're placing every day or those multiple trades you're placing every day. You can kind of find comfort knowing that I've made this singular decision and I'm going to hold this for a week, 2 weeks, sometimes even 3 weeks. And another reason why it comes with less anxiety is you don't have that constant pressure of thinking, will you overtrade that day? Have you placed too many trades? Are you chasing price? Are you chasing profits? Are you trying to make a loss back? So when you're able to kind of go back to that higher time frame, that one singular trade that you're going to be holding for a while, you reduce some of that anxiety. You're not overtrading. You're not taking on so many trades out of the day. Yes, swing trading does require more mental focus when taking on those precise decisions, but you're only focused on that one open position for days, if not weeks. There's no constant pressure from daily trades or the temptation to overtrade. That's why swing trading beats day trading every time. So if you're tired of the stress, exhaustion, and inconsistency of day trading, I think it's time to switch. I have helped countless traders transition from day trading to swing trading. Let me help you too. Click the description and the link below to join my community so that you can learn how to build a profitable swing trading strategy. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Drop in the comments below if you have any other questions about moving from day trading to swing trading. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more notifications, more videos, anytime you get a video. To be honest, I think my thing should be that I mess up the ending of videos and we just leave it in. We got these cool videos coming up. You can hit subscribe over here. We got another video getting ready to play in a few seconds. All right, I'll see you guys on another one.